Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite dishes. The ginger scallion salmon is my mom's secret recipe. After cleaning and towel drying the salmon, you can put some oil in the pan and put the salmon skin side down. Using medium to high heat, let the fish sit in the pan for about 5 minutes and turn the fish. Cook the other side for another 3 minutes. And the fish is thoroughly cooked. Now for the sauce. Add some diced ginger and green onion into the frying pan. Use a wooden spatula to give it a quick stir. Then add some generous amount of cooking wine into the fish. And the next step is to add some soy sauce. And my mom usually uses the seasoned soy sauce for seafood. You can purchase this at any Chinese supermarket. And the last step is to add some sugar, about 2 teaspoons of sugar, and we're done. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.